Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our people and loved ones at YouTube. How you guys doing today? As you guys could tell, Bitcoin again in the news, getting close to its all-time high of 20,000. We are gonna get there soon, very soon. Right now, what I am seeing and where I am at, I am actually going for a short here. As you could tell, right now we are in a sell position over here. Let me show you guys. So we are going for a short of 96,201 pips on what we're at right now and what we're looking for Bitcoin to go. Let me show you guys the high of the day. The high is at 19,813 and 49 cents, and the day low is at 18,056 and 36 cents. So that is based on the information that I'm using to take my trade. Um, you guys can see where my take profits at. So we're gonna let this ride and see where we wake up in the morning. Talk to you guys later.